Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Jasper local and long-distance movers. Near me. If you are relocating beyond 50 miles, you should know that you are undertaking a long-distance relocation. Such relocations call for meticulous planning for a successful result at the end of the day. If you do not plan well for a long-distance relocation, you might find yourself stranded before you reach your destination. Therefore, make sure to invite professionals, like 3 movers, to help with your move. Furthermore, you should ensure that the moving firm has the right permits to make such a move. 3 Movers boasts an excellent relationship with the authorities in charge of the moving process. This relationship ensures that we can provide the relocation process with the necessary security. We also provide our clients with insurance to protect them from incurred risks during and after the trip. We charge $30 to $40 every hour for local relocations. These relocations are less complex than their long-distance counterparts. We can help you map out a moving plan that will help you relocate and settle down quickly to business in your new place of residence. Ask around. We are the best movers in the business. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jasper moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.